Hello, welcome to Salt and Light Canning. I'm Jessica, and this is my kitchen. And today we're making something fun and exciting. I'm making some caramel sauce, and to do that I need sweetened condensed milk, vanilla, and a little bit of salt. And of course jars. So I'm going to get my sweetened condensed milk into this bowl, and then we'll add our other ingredients and get it mixed up. So happy coming into this holiday season. This is my very favorite time of year. I love seeing my family, and one of my very favorite things to do is to make homemade gifts. So that's part of what I'm doing today. It's super easy to make caramel sauce or to make chocolate sauce. We've made that on the channel before. I'm going to show my daughter how to make fudge. I'm very excited about that. All the things. This is just my very favorite time of year. So exciting. So I started with, I had 12 cans of sweetened condensed milk. You can do more, you can do less. It's funny, your phone doesn't ring all day long. And then you try to record it, that's what it's.
That's when they want to call. It's when you record, Mom.
Yes. All right. Since I have my 12 cans of sweetened condensed milk, now I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla. That's probably about a tablespoon. I'm also going to add about a tablespoon of salt. And that's all you need. Simple, simple. I'm going to get this really well combined. And that'll take a minute because sweetened condensed milk is not only very sticky, it's very thick. Please let me know what kinds of things you're canning in your kitchen, what you're planning for the holidays. I love to hear from you. All right, I'm going to taste it. Tastes really close to caramel already. It's going to be just wonderful. Okay, I'm going to get my jars and get this in the jars. I'll be back in just 1 minute. So I have my jars. I dried them because I don't want a bunch of water in my caramel sauce. I'm going to fill them to about 1/2 inch of headspace. And it's going to be sticky and it's going to be a mess, and we're just going to be okay with it. I'm going to debubble just by running my debubbler around the outside. Then I have a paper towel just with some water on it because I don't want to take a chance of getting vinegar in my caramel. Make sure we get anything sticky off the rim. Take a lid and a ring, and just to finger tight, just like that. And we'll fill our next jar. You're doing great.
Great to you.
That's because I've done this before.
It's fine.
It's fine. Everything's fine. Don't worry about it.
No one will ever
No one will know. Who's going to know?
Who's going to know? The whole world. Fun. I make a mess.
That's okay. That's part of cooking, is making a mess.
All the mess for you.
So yes, I know this is my turkey roaster. In my turkey roaster, I have all of my jars of caramel, and I have it turned on to about 200 degrees. I do not have any vinegar in the water because, again, I don't want to take a chance on getting vinegar in the milk. I'm going to cover these and let them just slowly cook in my turkey roaster probably for about 3 hours. I'm going to keep an eye on them because I don't want it to cook too long. My first experience making caramel was awful, just because I followed instructions for 5 hours and that was way too long and it just came out terrible. So I'm going to wait about 3 hours. I will be checking them in between. I'll be back when I'm taking them out. Hello, I am back. It got way too late and stuff happened and I didn't get to film taking these out, but we have beautiful light caramel sauce. It's delicious, it's wonderful. All of our jars sealed. This ended up being in the roaster for about 4 hours and it made this beautiful caramel sauce. I do have to tell you, if I didn't already mention it, because I don't remember, that was a day or so ago. This is not an approved recipe, so if you choose to follow it, please do so at your own discretion. I feel perfectly safe canning caramel sauce. If you don't, then don't can caramel sauce, okay? But it is delicious and wonderful to have on your shelf. So, I was gonna try one of these for you. This is beautiful caramel sauce and it's thick, like it's set up really pretty in the jar. This would be perfect to go like on some sliced apples or like maybe drizzled over a brownie, some ice cream, deliciousness. But anyway, it's beautiful. Delicious. The texture is really spreadable and thick and just delicious. That's the best caramel sauce you will ever have. Anyways, I'm gonna get this cleaned up, get things labeled and put in the pantry. Let me know what you're canning, what you're doing in your kitchen. I love to hear from you. Be so blessed. Know that you're loved and be a blessing to someone else. I'll see you in the next video.